You never know what we're gonna see here in Florida. They got a little bit of everything on the roads here. Looks like it might be made from some kind of an old Mercedes or something, but you got a little bit of everything on here. We got from a pickup truck from the 60s, Chevrolet, GM. Got a Mercedes badge here. Look at the stuff on this. So much detail. Just gonna show you guys what I can see here. Even an iguana. These almost look like lights off a, I don't know if it'd be a Cadillac or something like that. You got a Ram badge. So much stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying looking at this as much as I am. This is a piece of art. Beautiful piece of art. Just show you guys, tell you guys some of the details that we see here. I mean, just look at all these mirrors. You never know what you're gonna see here. There's so much stuff going on. All right, off to the next video.